and it's supposed to be officially opening next Wednesday, but we are getting a chance to preview it in a special preview party for IKEA family members. We got a reservation for Monday. Everybody only gets about 2 hours shopping in this store, trying to allow people to get a chance to take a peek at everything before the mass crowds appear. It sounds like it's going to be chaos on Wednesday when the store opens. There's only a few IKEA in all of Japan, I think 5 now, and so this will be the 6th one. And it is really rare. And people really are, interested in it and like it and want to get a chance to go. And seeing as how it's the only one in all of Kyushu, you can imagine lots of people from all over the place are going to show up. And it's been rumored that there's going to be more people visiting IKEA on that day, on the 11th, than the people that live in the surrounding town. So, but I'm super excited. I grew to love it when we were living in DC briefly, just because it was a great way to fill our house with fun things for a pretty low price. And so it's really something that people here in Japan like, because the style and approach to living is really focused on compact space. So here in Japan, where people have smaller houses and smaller living space, it's really ideal. So it's a very popular kind of approach. The thing that's tricky about it is that people don't really have, nobody here owns a pickup truck. Nobody has big trucks. Nobody has a big car that has a big bed in the back where you can throw in things from IKEA to take home with you. The only people that drive trucks are farmers, and the trucks are very small. They're like maybe even a fourth the size of a truck in the States, it would seem. Maybe that's kind of exaggerating, but it is really tiny. They're K cars, and K cars are cars that are the lowest, and you can only have a couple people ride in them, and they have a weight limit. And yeah, the people, that's the only people that have a car like that. So most people have to utilize the shipping service that's provided by IKEA. That's a huge difference. I know a lot of people in the States like it because you can just throw whatever you want in the back of your car and you're good to go. But people here usually don't do that. They don't have a big car, they don't have the room, and so they have to kind of use the shipping service instead. But they still get to get everything to their place and put it together. So